Hi guys, welcome back to Caribbean J03. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back into my kitchen. And today we'll be doing almond flour waffles. Yes, you heard me right. I had a subscriber that requested how to use almond flour and I decided to make some waffles with it. I love waffles. So let's start make some waffles and I cannot wait. Ah! I put this aside only because I was waiting for mom to be around, and now she's around, and we're doing waffles. So, let's start making it. Okay, guys, today I'm doing almond waffles, almond flour waffles. This is my first time doing this. I've saved this recipe for when mom is over, and now she's here, so we'll do this waffle. So, we'll start with all the wet ingredients first. Let me get all my eggs in. I'm doubling the recipe, but the recipe I'm going to leave online is for one set. So if you want to double it, that's when you can do that also. Okay, I'm doing one egg at a time because if you have a problem, if you find one of your eggs not good, you don't want to find out when you have all the eggs in the container because then now all the eggs are not good. Okay, guys, you know what happened when you're dealing with raw eggs? Make sure you clean your station. Well, my table. Okay, wash my hands, and now we move on. Oops. Move this from here. Finish with that. Okay, so now we're moving on from here, and I'm gonna add my head. It's I didn't have heavy cream, so I'm using the coconut cream. There are multiple substitutions for heavy cream. Just find one that will work for you. I had found one that you'll be using half and half and butter. You can try that one too. But there are multiples. Okay guys, one of the egg yolk don't want to look like he don't want to burst. Okay, I got it. Okay. Add my coconut oil. My vanilla. And we're gonna whisk these together. It already smells good, guys. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see inside it. Hold on a minute. Yep. Oh, did you guys see that? Okay. So now we're gonna add the almond flour, but before I add the almond flour, I'll put the baking powder. A pinch of salt. And I'm using raw cane sugar today. And yes, I will be leaving all the measurements and the ingredients in the description below, guys. Okay, so let's start adding the almond flour in here. Ooh, looking good, looking good. Guys, you know how long I've been waiting to do this almond flour waffles? Oh, but every time mom come, I have something else, another video planned already. Or we have fresh stuff that we have to dehydrate or, stuff like that. It never work out, guys. But this is the perfect time now. Mm. Just continue to whisk. Mm. That smells so good. Oh my goodness. Guys, I was so happy when I found this, my blue mixing bowl. I love this bowl, especially when I'm making waffles, because it's easy for me to just pour the butter on the waffle iron. Mm. Okay, now we'll set this aside. I will put on the waffle iron to heat up, and we'll start do something, guys. Okay, it is ready. It's nice. Whoa, it is hot indeed. Let's lower that a little bit, guys. I'll put it on 4. And I have coconut oil in here. That's what I'm using to grease my waffle iron with. Okay, let's do the top here. Okay, good to go. So now I'll put in each. Okay, guys, because of the thickness of this batter, I'm only going to be using the spoon to portion it onto the waffle iron and let it do its thing now. That was quick. I hope you guys are seeing this. I hope you guys are seeing this. Mm. I'm so excited I didn't even get a plate ready, guys. Oh, ooh, ooh. You guys see this? Look at that. Oh, mother. Oh, my God. Ah, they're so beautiful. Oh, guys. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh my God, they're so beautiful. You think I'm excited, guys? Mm, I can't wait for mom to taste them. Get your plate, girl. Get your plate. Cherry didn't teach you anything? Chair? Girl, your mother is still sitting down. When you watch this video? Mm-hmm. I have no idea. Your speed is just a little slow today for real. Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. It smells so good, right? Guys, and I double the recipe and look at that. Mm-mm-mm. Ooh, guys, I need to taste this. Oh, Cheerio, girl, you're missing out. I'll save yours though. Mom said she'll save a piece of hers. Mm, 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 mm. Guys, she's just calling out the family members. Mm, mm, mm. Oh my God. I need to repeat this recipe, guys. Mm. Mom said she's second emotion, guys. Mm. I'm so happy right now. Mm. Mm. Guys, you can have this with a little bit of syrup if you want, or whatever fruits. But for me, I'll have it with bacon or sausage, turkey sausage. Oh my Lord. Turkey sausage and eggs for breakfast. Yes. Mm-hmm. Mm, 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 mm. This is another keeper, guys. We're definitely going to keep on to this recipe. Ah! Oh! You see that, guys? Do you see that? Oh my God, it is perfect. Mm. Oh, guys, this is perfect. Mm. Perfect and beautiful. Mm. Oh, guys, these are so beautiful. Oh my Lord. You hear that, guys? She wants to know, is this second set is hers? Mm. Okay, we only have enough for one more or two the most. And the battery is done. I'll have to do more. Oh, Jesus. I'll have to do more for sure, guys. Okay. I have for two more in here. So let's just do this two. And yes, guys, I will be repeating this recipe for sure. Because from you guys can see, we have a little dilemma here. Because I know when Cher see this, she can be like, I hope you put mine aside. I gotta tell her mom eat hers. Oh Lord, guys, look at that. It's just enough for two more. Oh guys, this is like the perfect recipe right here. Oh, beautiful waffles, guys. Beautiful almond waffles. Mm. Whew. Mm. This was worth waiting for. Yes. Mm-hmm. Okay, guys, this is the last two from this. Because you know we'll have to repeat this recipe. Oh, yes, Chair, I will save you out of this first set. Mm. Oh my God, guys. Mm. Okay, guys, this is my waffles, my almond flour waffle. It's 100% healthy. It's coconut cream. I didn't use the heavy cream. I used coconut cream for in place to substitute for it, and I use coconut oil versus using butter. So, guys, look at my waffles. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Stay safe, God bless, and I will see you guys in my next video. Let mom take her waffles and enjoy every bit of it. Yay! You hear that, guys? See you guys in the next video. Ooh, guys, please don't forget to subscribe. I'm looking for subscribers. Thank you. Okay, guys, I found a couple recipes that I can use. I found a couple recipes for almond flour. Oh, guys, you'll be popping up every so often now. Yes, we will definitely will be doing them different. I find a pound cake and some other stuff, some good recipes to use my almond flour. So they'll be coming in, guys. They'll be coming in.